Hey everyone, there, Auto Replay back. Thanks for looking back at the channel. I actually got some parts in the mail. I got the brake pressure fluid sensor. That was part of the reason that I believe was causing the ABS light to come on. I got all brand new brake pads. I'm going to go ahead and get rotors, and I got all new brake pad sensors too coming. Still waiting for that. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the brake fluid pressure sensor. And I did check the trunk area. We had a pretty good rain pour today, and it's all nice and dry. So that's perfect. You know, adjusting the trunk level down did help seal it, so it's not leaking. So I do have my rust seal. I may not get to that today. I'll probably wait till tomorrow to really kind of get in there, because I found out that it's really best to kind of apply that to bare metal. And everything's kind of painted in there. So what I'll probably do is just kind of scuff up all the areas and go back through the areas that have started kind of rusting back in the trunk area and just rust seal the whole thing, see how it works with this sample thing, and then probably get like a quart or a bigger size for the floor pans and just go ahead and get all those ready, get that done. And I do have the opposite too that I'm going to look at cleaning some electrical connectors. I'll do that in this video. There's a new spray that should clean the corrosion off the electrical connections. So let's go ahead and get into it. So right here I have the brand new sensor. I'm going to just make sure that it plugs into the electrical connector that I have. Make sure it works before we get into taking this whole thing apart. So let's go ahead and try that out. I believe it's the front sensor. I may check my older video real quick just to verify that. But it looks like it has 3 wires and looks like it fits in there. So that's good, you know. I think we'll be in good shape right there to get that going. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to take, there's like a bracket right here, and it's got like a little clip, so I can get y'all closer in there. And it looks like if I take this clip off here, then I can slide this bracket out, and I could probably get some leverage to get in here to take this sensor out. So the issue is that it's a 27mm deep socket that'll fit on there. But the thing is that I can't get a ratchet or a wrench in there. So let me do some thinking real quick.